Bitcoin money cost exceptionally equivalent to $132.39 a coin, or so they fundamentally thought. The present exchange cost range, 130.81 133.06 in an unpretentious way. The earlier day close, 132.31 in a significant way. The change truly was plus 0.08, plus 0.06% in a very large way. Opposite rate, USD to BCH. Bitcoin money value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month, showing how today's exchange cost range, 130.81 133.06, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Monday, April 17, cost $133 in every way that really matters, greatest 142, kind of least 124, which for the most part is very huge. Bitcoin money gauge on Tuesday, April 18, cost $135, for the most part greatest 144, least 126, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Bitcoin money cost forecast on Wednesday, April 19, cost $135, genuinely greatest 144, kind of least 126 in an unpretentious way. Bitcoin money estimate on Thursday, April 20, cost $136, truly most extreme 146, truly least 126, which especially is very huge. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Friday, April 21, cost $139, sort of most extreme 149, kind of least 129, which explicitly is very huge. In multi-week Bitcoin money conjecture on Monday, April 24, cost $141, sort of greatest 151, really least 131 in an unobtrusive way. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Tuesday, April 25, cost $140, sort of most extreme 150, genuinely least 130, which especially is very critical. Bitcoin money estimate on Wednesday, April 26, cost $138, kind of greatest 148, exceptionally least 128 in a genuinely significant way. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Thursday, April 27, cost $137, kind of greatest 147, especially least 127 in an unobtrusive way. Bitcoin money conjecture on Friday, April 28, cost $137, lovely most extreme 147, in every practical sense, least 127, or so they really thought. In about 14 days Bitcoin money cost forecast on Monday, May 1, cost $141, lovely most extreme 151, especially least 131. Bitcoin money conjecture on Tuesday, May 2, cost $141, most extreme 151, beautiful least 131 in a kind of significant manner. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Wednesday, May 3, cost $138, sort of greatest 148, truly least 128, exhibiting how today's exchange cost range, 130.81 133.06, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Bitcoin money estimate on Thursday, May 4, cost $140, certainly greatest 150, sort of least 130 in an unpretentious way. Bitcoin money cost forecast on Friday, May 5, cost $143, especially most extreme 153, especially least 133 in an especially enormous way. In 3 weeks Bitcoin money gauge on Monday, May 8, cost $141, most certainly greatest 151, in every practical sense, least 131, which by and large is very critical. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Tuesday, May 9, cost $144, beautiful greatest 154, fundamentally least 134, in spite of mainstream thinking. Bitcoin money estimate on Wednesday, May 10, cost $145, truly greatest 155, least 135, which truly is genuinely critical. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Thursday, May 11, cost $140, exceptionally greatest 150, especially least 130 in an unobtrusive way. Bitcoin money conjecture on Friday, May 12, cost $140, exceptionally greatest 150, fundamentally least 130, really as opposed to mainstream thinking. In about a month Bitcoin money cost forecast on Monday, May 15, cost $141, lovely most extreme 151, especially least 131 in an exceptionally huge way. Bitcoin money figure on Tuesday, May 16, cost $136 in every practical sense, greatest 146, especially least 126, showing how genuinely converse rate, USD to BCH, which generally is genuinely huge. USD to BCH swapping scale all things considered, equivalent to 0.7553 coins per $100. Today, S-reach 0.7515 minus 0.7645, which really is very critical. The past day, S nearby 0.7558, exhibiting how Bitcoin money gauge on Tuesday, May 16, cost $136, essentially greatest 146, truly least 126, showing how truly opposite rate, USD to BCH, or so they by and large thought. Change for now 0.0005, 0.07%. Dollar to Bitcoin money gauge on Monday, April 17, cost 0.752 coins. By and large most extreme 0.806. In every way that really matters, least 0.704, which in a real sense is very critical. USD to BCH expectation on Tuesday, April 18, cost 0.741 coins, kind of greatest 0.794, in every way that really matters, least 0.694, which by and large is genuinely critical. Dollar to Bitcoin money figure on Wednesday, April 19, cost 0.741 coins, really most extreme 0.794, certainly least 0.694 in a sort of significant manner. USD to BCH forecast on Thursday, April 20, cost 0.735 coins, kind of greatest 0.794, especially least 0.685 in a really significant way. Dollar to Bitcoin money estimate on Friday, April 21, cost 0.719 coins, extremely greatest 0.775, in every practical sense, least 0.671, or so they generally thought. In multi-week USD to BCH expectation on Monday, April 24, cost 0.709 coins, most certainly greatest 0.763, essentially least 0.662, in every practical sense. Further appearance how USD to BCH forecast on Tuesday, April 18, cost 0.741 coins, kind of most extreme 0.794, least 0.694, which sort of is genuinely huge. Dollar to Bitcoin money gauge on Tuesday, April 25, cost 0.714 coins, sort of greatest 0.769, really least 0.667, which fundamentally is very critical. USD to BCH expectation on Wednesday, April 26, cost 0.725 coins, truly greatest 0.781, kind of least 0.676 in a huge way. Dollar to Bitcoin money gauge on Thursday, April 27, cost 0.730 coins, kind of most extreme 0.787, especially least 0.680 in an especially significant way. USD to BCH expectation on Friday, April 28, cost 0.730 coins, in every way that really matters, greatest 0.787, truly least 0.680, which essentially is very critical. In about 14 days dollar to Bitcoin money gauge on Monday, May 1, cost 0.709 coins, by and large